Arduino Zero looks like an Uno from afar, but under that familiar form, a faster rhythm starts to warm. At its center, the 32-bit ATSAMD21 carries an ARM Cortex-M0 Plus core running at 48 MHz. More speed in the flow, more space for the code, a quieter path where larger ideas can grow. 256 kilobytes of flash hold your design. 32 kilobytes of SRAM keep data moving in time. There is no true EEPROM inside, though part of the flash can emulate memory when something must remain. 20 digital pins wait around the edge. 10 can pulse with PWM. 6 analog inputs listen with 12-bit resolution, while one true 10-bit DAC output can shape a real analog voltage. Not only high, not only low, but a smoother level, a controlled and measured flow. Zero also carries an onboard EDBG debugger. You can pause the program, inspect its state, step through the code, and watch each hidden decision unfold. 2 USB ports give you a programming path and a native connection directly to the ATSAMD21. Arduino Zero uses 3.3-volt logic. Its pins are not 5-volt tolerant, so a higher signal can damage the board. With its faster core, precise ADC, real DAC, DMA, RTC, and native USB, Zero suits smart sensors, wearable devices, robotics, automation, data acquisition, audio experiments, and connected prototypes. A familiar frame, a faster game, more resolution moving. Through the same Arduino name, Arduino Zero, where the classic shape becomes a wider space and every measured signal finds a finer place.